Hello, hi traders. Welcome to my channel. So today we'll do some trades. So today we'll try to take only on momentum trades or else some continuation trades, like only on continuation candles, and with the momentum, and with next candle we can go which type of candle we can go through for retracement. Which one we will treat as a retracement. We will take only those trades because we can see this is the dollar in trending market only. So and profit ratio also good. So today I will show how to divide candlesticks and which type of candle will reverse and which type of candle will make continue. See here, actually we can expect here a reversal candle, but because of the momentum there is a chance to continue to, and if market wants to reverse, market will reverse from this point as because it's a SNR. See, reversed, 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 and reversing. So after three candle, so how I am saying is this candle may get reverse means here after two bearish candles we are seeing bullish candle. So bullish candle means because of the bearish momentum or bearish anger there is a chance to get a buy sellers, but again who entered? Buyers. So buyers entered. So this is the confirmation trade, and this is we can consider as a continuation candle. So next candle was a buyers. So after that again there might be some sellers area, sellers or sellers entered. So here what we are seeing a bullish momentum. So next candle again who entered? Sellers. So from sellers area one sellers entered, but there is a bullish momentum and bullish engulfing and a uptrend and a reversal candlestick, and as well as a continuation candlestick, as because sellers area is there, right? And there are more chances to get reverse. If we draw a trend line also here, it will come here, right? But again sellers entry, so this is the confirmed trade. So I waited here because I knew, because there is a odds whichever the sellers wanted to enter they entered completely. So next candle was I waited, so this candle I can go with a sellers. Even there are some buyers level on, buyers are also entered, but still I go with the sellers only, as because even huge rejection also buyers didn't enter here, right? And again sellers entered very strongly and closed below the wick, and it closed and broke this level also, this wick also, and there is no that much rejection in this one. So whenever you people want to take 5-second confirmations, so always try to consider before 15 seconds. So before 15 seconds if we get any confirmation, so there are more chances to get a profitable trade. So as I've seen, almost 90%, 95% of the time, which candle will give before 15 seconds, that one will give you 90 to 100% of show shot. So only I am saying. So again we'll say, so this is the continuation sign as per the momentum. Okay. So even they will show market closed here and it's a Marubozu, and here they can show like Marubozu candle level. Whenever market hits this price, market is getting reversed, but we have to divide and we have to check whether sellers or buyers are interested in the market, or they are completely done, they will allow for buyers to enter, or sellers will only continue. So that also we have to check. So here NZUSD, so I took one trade, so I will show one more trade because I don't want it to make it lengthy. See, here we can go with a buyer option, but we have to wait because already we are seeing some sellers are interested in the market. Market reached here. Okay, market reached the buyers area. but again sellers only entered. So sellers entered means sellers are still interested in the market. So because of the weakness and this one, buyers entered very strongly. But there is a chance to enter again a sellers when sellers are entering from entered. Even when buyers area, this is the buyers area, right? Sellers are entering even at buyers area. But after buyers entered also, there are more chances to enter sellers, as because price got cheaper, the buyers got a profit and they book the profit, and sellers are who got the profit, they are selling their stuff again. So we'll see again. There is a chance we'll do for $20. Okay, so it couldn't able to broke this level, so we'll wait here because there is a chance to get continue also, and there is a chance to get reverse also. So we'll wait. I won't make any lengthy video from now on. I will take only 2 or 3 trades. So here we can go. Even here I will show one more thing. Okay, there is a chance, but I will go with a lower option only here, because here they may show like double bottom formation, like W formation, right? But here actually what happened is buyers entered very strongly, right? Buyers entered very strongly, but again sellers entered very strongly, as they wanted to go for a lower option. But after that, buyers wants us to enter a weekly here. Because of this strongness of the sellers, there are more chances to enter a weak buyers here. But again, strong buyers entered, and it's a Marubozu. And already we know from this point, sellers are more. And already we know there is a one level also here, as I shown here. So again, when buyers entered very strongly, it confirms me that market wants to go for a lower option at least for 1 minute because of the increase of price. So these are my two trades.
What we do here is go back.
So these are my two trades. So thank you for watching, and as I shown you, it's a reversal sign, buyers entered because it's strong rejection, bullish angle. You people can't able to go with a higher option here directly. You have to check each and everything in the market, then only you will understand. So always try to make a lower trades, like 1 or 2 trades. When you sit for 1 hour, take one trade for 1 hour. Always keep on watching on the market, like 20 to 30 minutes. If you wait, you will properly understand which trade I can able to take trades, and which trade will give me a profitable. So always try to be in that type of maturity. Don't be like some new joiners, like always trading at in 1 hour take 10 trades or 20 trades. Don't do like that one. In 1 hour, if you place one trade also, it has to be more confirmation. You must be have that thought, it will give me a profit for sure shot. So if you have that maturity, you will be in profit for sure. So thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please